In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Slack alerts from new Twilio SMS using Zapier. We're building a simple automation that listens for incoming text messages on your Twilio number and posts them straight into a Slack channel so your team can act fast. Let's walk through it clearly from start to finish. Start on your Zapier dashboard and click Create Zap. This opens a blank workflow where we'll connect the pieces. Think of a zap as two parts: a trigger that starts the automation, and an action that runs next based on the data from that trigger. For the trigger, choose Twilio as the app and select the event called New SMS. This watches your Twilio phone number for incoming texts. It's used because we need something to kick off the automation, and this step captures the essentials: who sent the message, what they wrote, and when it arrived. Connect your Twilio account using your account SID and auth token. These credentials let Zapier read messages securely from your Twilio account, so keep them private and never share them publicly. Once connected, click Test Trigger. Zapier will pull in a recent SMS as a sample, which helps you preview the fields you can use later. If you don't see one, send a quick test text to your Twilio number and try again. Next, add the action by clicking Add Step. Choose Slack as the app and select Send Channel Message. This step pushes a message into a Slack channel so your team gets notified as soon as someone texts you. Connect your Slack account and pick the correct workspace and channel, making sure you have permission to post there. In the message field, compose a clear alert using the data from Twilio. For example, start with a short headline like New SMS Received, then map the sender's phone number to a From line and the message content to a Message line. You can also include the timestamp from Twilio to add context. Click Test. Step to send a sample to Slack and confirm the formatting looks right. When everything checks out, publish or turn on your Zap. From this point on, it's live. Here's how it works in real life. Someone texts your Twilio number, Zapier detects the new SMS in seconds, and a formatted alert appears in your chosen Slack channel. Your team sees it immediately and can respond faster without switching tools. If you ever need to troubleshoot, revisit your Zap's test data or Zapier task history. That's it. Twilio detects the SMS, Slack receives the notification, and Zapier connects everything automatically.